In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add actor to your Instagram bio. It's fairly straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Once you're on Instagram, just go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on those three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, tap on settings and privacy. Once you've done that, you want to scroll down till you find the option that is account type and tools. So you can see it right over there. Tap on that, and the reason we're going here is because we need to switch to a professional account to get that tag below our username on our bio. Okay, so click on switch to professional account, go continue once again. And on this step, this is important, you want to hit the search button and then you want to type actor. Okay, so there it is right at the top, it says actor. So tap on actor and you have to make sure that this is enabled right here, so it's displayed on your profile. Then tap on done. That'll take up to 30 seconds to actually create that. I will choose a creator for this account and then I'll go not now, and that's it. So I can just exit out of here, and right now you see actor in my Instagram bio, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.